Hi, hello, my dear students. Warm welcome to Guru Vrinda Teachers channel. Dreams is not what you see in sleep. Dreams is not what you see in sleep. It's a thing which does not let you sleep. It's a thing which does not let you sleep. By saying this, I will start today's class, Conservation of Plants and Animals. Conservation of plants and animals. So before starting actual lesson, I would like to teach you few basic terms. So which will come throughout this lesson. If you understand this basic terms, so further lesson will be easy for you all. Okay, so today's class is about basic terms. So first one is biodiversity. Biodiversity. Bio refers to living things. Diversity is nothing but variety. So biodiversity refers to variety of living organisms found in a specific area. Biodiversity is nothing but variety of living organisms found in a particular area. Is nothing but biodiversity. And the second one is biosphere reserve. Biosphere reserve. Okay, biosphere reserve is nothing but we have to conserve particular place. We have to allot particular place for the biodiversity. Okay, for example, biosphere is an area meant for conservation of biodiversity. Biosphere reserve are the large areas of protected land. So large areas of land, protected land. For what? For conservation of plants, wildlife and animal resources and traditional life of the tribals living in the area. Okay, so large areas protected land for conservation of wildlife, plant and animal resources. Or else biosphere reserves are the areas meant for conservation of biodiversity. Conservation means protecting, saving. Okay, and the third one is, first one is biodiversity, second one is biosphere reserve, and the third one is deforestation. Third one is deforestation. Deforestation is nothing but the cutting down of trees on large scale. Cutting down of trees. So it's nothing but deforestation. The fourth one is desertification. Soil erosion converts the fertile land into desert. So your word is soil erosion converts the fertile land into desert. So what does it mean by soil erosion? What does it mean by the soil erosion? Soil erosion is a natural process in which the topsoil of the field is carried away by physical factors such as wind and water. Okay, and this soil erosion converts the fertile land. Fertile is nothing but capable of producing abundant vegetation or crops. Abundant means more, large. Okay, so what happened? Because of the soil erosion converts the fertile land. Fertile land means capable of producing more crops in the particular land. So it is converted into desert. So this process is nothing but desertification. Okay, and next one is, fifth one is ecosystem. So ecosystem consists of two components, biotic and abiotic. Its components. Biotic means living things, abiotic means non-living things. Okay, so an ecosystem is made up of all the plants. So ecosystem made up of all the plants, animals and microorganisms in an area. Plants, animals and microorganisms in an area. Along with that, so along with this plants and animals and microorganisms, non-living components also will be there. So such as climate, soil, rivers and etc. Okay, so first basic term is biodiversity, second one is biosphere reserve, third one is deforestation, fourth one is desertification, fifth one is ecosystem. Next, sixth one is endangered species. Okay, first one is biodiversity, second one is biosphere reserve, third one is deforestation, fourth one is desertification, fifth one is ecosystem, and the sixth one is endangered species. Okay, such species which are facing the risk of extinction are called as endangered species. Endangered means such kind of species, they are facing the extinction. They are facing the risk of extinction. Extinct means there is no having living members. Having no living members. Okay. So this kind of species, what happen? They are facing the risk of extinction. Okay. This kind of species are called endangered species. And next one is endemic species. Endemic species. Endemic species are those species of plants and animals which are found exclusively in a particular area. So such kind of plants and animals we can found in particular places only, exclusively in a particular area only. So those kind of species they cannot found anywhere on the earth. Only particular areas only we can able to found this kind of species. So this kind of species are called endemic species. Endemic species are those species of plants and animals we can found exclusively in a particular area. We cannot able to find everywhere or anywhere in the earth. Okay. So they are not naturally found anywhere else. Okay. The next one is extinct. Extinct means to disappear forever from earth. Disappear from ever for earth. Extinct means disappear forever from earth. So once if it is destroyed, again it will not come, disappearing. Okay. Fauna. Fauna is nothing but the animals found in a particular area. Particular area animals we are calling fauna. Fauna of that particular area. The animals found in a particular area are called fauna of that area. So fauna means you should keep remember that animals found in a particular area. And flora. Flora means the plants found in a particular area. Okay, fauna means animals, flora means plants. So the plants found in a particular area are called flora of that area. So here you should remember plants. So endangered species means the species facing the risk of extinction. That is, those species are called endangered species. And the seventh one is endemic species. Endemic species are those species we can found plants and animals. Those plants and animals we can found in a particular area. And next one is extinct. Extinct means disappear forever from the earth. It will not appear again. Okay, the next one is fauna. Fauna means animals found in a particular area. Flora means the plants found in a particular area. Next one is migratory birds. Next one is migratory birds. The birds which move from very cold region to warmer region in winter and go back after the winter is over are called migratory birds. Okay. So the words migratory means you should keep remember migration means moving one place to another place. Okay, migratory birds means what? The birds will move from one place to another place. So from cold region to they will move warmer region in winter season. Once the winter season is over, they will go back to their same place. So this is nothing but migratory birds. Okay, and the next one is national park. Next one is national park. National parks are the reserves which are larger and diverge enough to protect all sets of ecosystem. So national parks are the reserves which are large. So usually the national parks will be in large and diverge enough to protect the whole sets of ecosystem. Whole sets of ecosystem means ecosystem consists of both biotic and abiotic as its components, right? So all plants and animals and abiotic factors, all it will protect. That place is enough. Okay, and they preserve flora. Flora means what you should keep remember. Flora means plants and fauna means animals. And next, landscapes and historic objects of an area. So particular landscapes and historic objects of a particular area. So this is nothing but national park. National park, you should remember that national parks are the reserves which are large and diverge enough to protect all sets of ecosystem. So ecosystem consists of flora and fauna and water, landscape and historic objects. So this national park will protect all those things. Okay. And the next one is Red Data Book. Next one is Red Data Book is a book. Red Data Book is a source of book which keeps record of all the endangered animals. Okay, so Red Data Book is a book, source of book. It will keep all the records of endangered animal. Endangered animal means what? Animal which is in the facing the risk of extinctions. So those data will be maintained in this particular book. And next one is reforestation. Reforestation. Children, once again I will remember you. Keep remember, migratory birds means the birds will move from one place to another place. Cold region to warmer region in winter season. And the next one is national parks. So national parks are the reservoirs which are large enough and diverse enough to protect the whole ecosystem. And the next one is Red Data Book. Red Data Book is nothing but source of book. It will keep records of endangered animals and plants. Okay. And next one is reforestation. Reforestation is nothing but the planting of trees. So deforestation is nothing but planting of trees in an area in which forests were destroyed. So where we have to plant the trees, where the forest destroyed. Okay, so that particular place you have to plant more trees. Okay, so planting of trees in an area in which forests were destroyed. So it's nothing but reforestation. And the next one is sanctuary. Okay, sanctuary means a place of safety. So you should keep remember that sanctuary is nothing but it is the place is very safety. So place of safety. Okay, and wildlife sanctuary is protected area. So for example, wildlife sanctuaries is a protected area of land. So wildlife sanctuary is nothing but it is a protected area of particular land which provides protection and suitable living condition to wild animals. So that particular place will provide. So what it will provide? It will provide protection and as well as suitable living conditions for the wild animals. Okay. So children, today we have discussed basic terms. Okay. So basic terms of conservation of plants and animals. Okay. In that first one is biodiversity. Biodiversity is nothing but variety of living organisms found in a particular place. So that is nothing but biodiversity. And the second one is biosphere reserve. Biosphere reserve. Biosphere reserve is nothing but area meant for conservation of biodiversity. And next one is deforestation. Deforestation is nothing but cutting of trees. And desertification. Desertification means soil erosion converts fertile land into desert. That is nothing but desertification. And next, ecosystem. Ecosystem is nothing but it consists of both living things and non-living things as its a components. Okay. And next one is endemic species. So endemic species we can found in a particular area itself. Exclusively we can find those plants in a particular areas only. So we cannot find anywhere else. And next one is extinction. Extinction means disappear forever. Okay. And fauna. Fauna means animals found in a particular area. And next one is flora. Flora means the plants found in a particular area. And next one is migratory birds. Migratory birds is nothing but the birds moves from one place to another place. Cold region to warmer region in winter season. And next one is national parks. So national parks are the reserve. So reserves which are large and diverse enough to protect whole sets of diversity, biodiversity. Okay, all sets of ecosystem. And next one is Red Data Book. So red data book is nothing but source of book which will keep record of all endangered plants and animals list. Okay, the next one is reforestation. So reforestation means planting of trees. And next one is sanctuary. Sanctuary means place of safety. Okay, for example, wildlife sanctuary means the particular place is protected land. So the particular place will provide protection and as well as suitable living condition for wild animals. Today we have discussed this important basic terms from conservation of plants and animals. I hope all understood. Bye bye.